Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a red color border around a paragraph in a text box in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and double click on this text box and drag your mouse, select your text. Now select format option already selected and select layout option and here you will find paragraph border and select your all border option and change border color is red color and I will increase this color and see this red color border already added around this paragraph. Yeah, in this way you can add similar border and this text around it and this red color and see this. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.